Hello and welcome back. This yoga sequence is designed to boost circulation, improve your skin, and increase vitality at any age. In just a few minutes, we'll move through 5 simple poses that will do just that. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. You can stay cross legged on the mat in Sukhasana. Place your palms on your knees. Lengthen the spine, chin parallel to the ground. Close your eyes and start to focus on your breathing. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale, and one more. Inhale and exhale. Gently open your eyes and let's do some neck rolls to improve flexibility in the neck and warm up our necks here. So start to roll your head side to side. Don't rush it, make circles. Close your eyes just to feel this movement. And if you've done one direction, stop and let's go the other way. And just feel how this relaxes your neck, lengthens your spine. And then stop at the center, come up, and let's do some shoulder rolls now. So start rolling your shoulders back. Again, do it as simple and as slowly as possible here. Stop at the center and let's roll them forward now. Just feel this move. Good, and now stop and let's come on to our palms and knees. And we're going to start to mobilize the spine. So on the next inhalation, arch your back, chin and sit bones go up. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, push through your palms and knees. Inhale, chin up, arch spine. Exhale, round. We're synchronizing the breath with the movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Come to neutral and we're going to do our first vitality pose. So send the hips back and up and come into downward facing dog. Let your head hang heavy here. Relax your face. Maybe being the first downward facing dog of your day, pedal slightly the feet, shake your head. Breathe here. Lengthen your spine and then stop at the center. We're going to stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 2. Exhale. Inhale for 3. Exhale. Inhale for 4. And 5. Now bend your knees and slowly walk your feet in between your palms. Bend your knees, place the belly on your thighs, catch opposite elbows and just hang here. You may wish to sway side to side. Head is heavy, neck is long. And then stop at the center, and we're going to rebuild the spine vertebrae by vertebrae on the next inhalation. The head is the last one to come up. And we're here in Tadasana. From here, we're going to inhale, open the chest, gaze up, and exhale, fall from the hips over your legs. Bend the knees if you need to. Place the palms on your shins or on your knees or on your mat. And stay here with a straight back. And just breathe here. 2 more breaths. And 1 more. Now inhale, lift halfway. Place the palms on the mat if they aren't already there. And step back into a downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, after this 1 more breath, we're going to shift forward into a plank. Lower the knees, the chest and the chin to the mat. Inhale, slide your chest forward and let's come into Cobra pose. Now place the hands on the side of the mat, wider than the mat, and on the next inhalation we're going to lift the chest up. Gaze up, open chest, engage your glutes, back is strong. Exhale, come down. We're just doing these Cobra waves. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and 1 more. Inhale up and exhale down. Good. Now place the palms by the side of your chest, tuck your toes and find child's pose. Just for a couple of breaths here, releasing any tension from the lower back. Just relax in this pose here. And breathe. Now slowly come onto your belly again and roll over onto your back. And the next vitality pose we are doing is bridge pose, which is very good for improving your core, strengthening your body, and stimulating circulation all the way through your body. So bend your knees, place the feet onto the mat. See if you can touch or graze your heel with the longest finger. And on the next inhalation, we're going to lift the lower back, the middle back, the upper back of the mat. And we're going to stay here for 5 breaths. Do not force it, just stay here. One more breath. And very slowly come down as you went up. Upper back, middle back, tuck your pelvis, lower back to the mat. Widen your feet and let your knees hang or sway side to side like windshield wipers. We're going to repeat this, and you have the option to do exactly the same thing, or maybe you want to follow me for a variation of this pose. So let's stop at the center, bring your feet closer to your hips, hip width distance apart. Check your stance, graze the heel, and then release lower back, middle back, upper back. Now interlace your fingers, make a fist, roll slightly your shoulders underneath, and just lift up for a higher bridge. And just breathe here. 2 more breaths. One more. And then let your fist go wider and go down. Easy and in control. And let your knees sway side to side. The next pose we're going to do is shoulder stand, which is great for increasing circulation, drains the lymph from your body, flushes it out, and is a good pose for increasing vitality. So you have, if shoulder stand may be too much for you today, you can just lift your legs, put them on a wall, and do the legs up the wall or in the air pose. But if you want to follow me, then we're going to do shoulder stand. So raise your legs up, support your lower back with your hands here, extend the legs, and just stay here. Breathe. You're balancing on your shoulders, not on your cervical area. You shouldn't feel any tension in the cervical area whilst doing this pose. Try to maintain your head in the same position. Do not take it left, right. Just look up, gaze over your legs, and stay here for 5 more breaths. Inhale for 1. 2. Legs are strong. 3. 4. And 5. Very slowly come down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Place your feet on your mat. Push through your forearms open, puff your chest up. Maybe put the crown on the head on the mat. Crown of the head on the mat. So just a couple of breaths here, just a counter to this shoulder stand we've just done. Very slowly push through your forearms. Let's come onto our backs. We're going to do a supine twist and then relax. So bend your knees, cross the right leg over the left, and maybe bind at the ankle if that's accessible to you. Shift your hips slightly to the right and let your knees fall to the left. Extend your arms and gaze towards the right palm. And just stay here for a few breaths. And then very slowly come up. Release your legs and let's bind the other way. So left over right, maybe bind at the ankle. Shift your hips slightly to the left. Let your knees fall to the right. Extend your arms and gaze towards the left now. May choose to close your eyes here and just feel this amazing release. Two more breaths here. And then very slowly come up. Release your legs. Bend them and bring them to your chest, thanking them for today's practice. And then slowly come up into a seated position, closing the eyes when you've reached here. And just feel what has this short practice done for your body, for your vitality. If you have the time, maybe you want to go into Shavasana. But I will choose to close the practice here. Practice this daily for youthful vitality and energy. If you've liked this flow, please like and subscribe to my channel for more yoga and simple poses for life over 40. Have an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.